Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload music to Spotify mobile. If you're a musician or artist, you may want your music publicly available on Spotify. However, unlike SoundCloud, YouTube, and many other media consumption outlets, producers can't just upload their own creations to Spotify and have millions of people stream their songs. It isn't that simple. The process of uploading music to Spotify from your device is called uploading local files. This allows Spotify to show music on your device that you've downloaded locally. This will not allow other people to stream your music. This is just for you to listen to on your device. Open the Spotify mobile app on your device. From the home screen, select your profile up the left side. Then, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down again until you see Import. Underneath, you should see Show Local Audio Files. Then, switch this on. If you have music or audio downloaded on your device, and this can even be audio recordings that you've done using a voice recorder, this will show up in a folder called Local Files in your library. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.